This is a short demonstration to introduce you to our software. The user interface consists of two windows, a main user window to your left and an options window on your right. The options window consists of two tabs, the Bill tab and the Customers tab. The Customers tab is designed for delivery only, and the restaurant version does not contain this feature. The Bill tab is the receipt and shows all the items for any individual order. The main user window contains 5 tabs. The Items tab, which is currently labelled Pizza, the Orders tab, the Menus tab, the Table tab, and the Management tab. The Management tab controls all the management activities such as reports, customization of menus, stock control, and the like. The Table tab is a diagram of your floor and table configuration, and controls booking throughout the night via the Reserve button, which activates the reservation window. The Menus tab is designed to handle multiple menu input. As you can see, you can simply switch between your menus by clicking on them. The Orders tab contains all the orders from the last checkpoint. By clicking on an item, we can see the orders on a bill in the Bill tab in the Options window. The Items tab, which is currently labelled Pizza, is where you can find all the items in any individualized menu. The restaurant. The next series of clips will show you how to take restaurant orders. How to open a table. The first step in taking a restaurant order is selecting a table. By going to the Table tab, you are able to check all your tables. The different table categories are located on your left. By clicking on a category, you can check if you have an available table of that type. Blue tables are empty, and the tables which have this icon are engaged. This icon means that the table is joined, and this is a reserved table. After you find the table you want, simply click on it and then press the Order button. The system will now try to identify you by asking your username and password. Enter the required details and press OK. Now enter how many people are to be seated at the table that you're going to serve and press OK. The system is now set up to take your order. If the table needs to be moved or joined to another to create more room, you can do this at any time. Clicking on an open table gives the option to transfer to another table. Press the transfer button to see the available tables. In order to complete the transfer, you must now select the table you want to transfer to and press transfer. To join tables, you must already have an open table. Select the table you wish to join and press the Show Join menu button. This will let you see the available tables to join to. Select the table from the drop-down menu to complete this action. How to take a restaurant order. The first step in taking a restaurant order is opening a table. Once a table has been opened, you will see this screen, which has a number of options at the bottom. These are the different available courses. To take an order, click on the relevant course and select the items that have been ordered. Once selected, these will show under the corresponding course headings in the Bills section as follows. How to send and resend orders. After you finish taking the order, to notify your chef or barman to start making the order, press the Send button. Pressing the Send button opens the Send window so you can select which courses to send. This allows you to send orders when you want. In order to save an order to be sent at a later time, you must press the Later button. When the system is first installed, you can select which printers deal with which courses so the orders are sent to the correct printers. For For example, if you have a separate bar and kitchen, the system will send the drinks to the bar and the food to the kitchen. When you send the order, the colour of the courses that was sent will change. As you can see here, we sent the drinks and the dessert courses, and they are now yellow. If you wish to resend a course, press the resend button and select the relevant course and press resend. How to add more items to an order. In order to add to an order, you must first select the table, then press the order button. The system will ask you for your username and password before allowing you to proceed. You will then be able to add more items. In order to register the new orders, you must press the send button and either select the course to send or select later. How to print bills and cash up a table. To print the bill, select the table and press print bill. If you wish to make any changes before printing, you must go to the pay section and make the necessary changes, then press print bill. After you get the payment, you can cash up the table. Select the table, then press pay. Now you need to choose the payment method. Select your payment method on the left and press pay to open the till. If the table is paying in a combination of different methods, you can select combination. Put in the amount for each method and press pay. If a customer wants a receipt, then press pay and print. How to reserve a table. The following section will show you how to reserve a table. In order to reserve a table, select the Table tab and press the Reserve button. This will open the reservation menu, which has 5 tabs. First, enter the customer details to register the customer. In order to register a customer, you only need the telephone and the name, but take the other details as required. Once the details have been taken, press Next to continue. This tab is labelled Booking, where you can select the date. Once you have selected the date for booking, press Next. This section allows you to select the table you wish to reserve. The highlighted blocks indicate the table has been booked and is not available. Press on the start time on the relevant table to make a reservation. Once you press on the start time, it will open a window so you can select the period the table would be occupied. Press OK to confirm this. Now, press Next to confirm the details. To confirm the details, press Finish. You can see that the selected time has now been highlighted to indicate that the reservation has been confirmed. How to change a reservation. In order to change a reservation, select the Table tab and press the Reserve button. This will open up the Reserve menu. Click on the View tab to see the reservation timetable. You can scroll through the days using the buttons at the top of the screen. Once you find the date of the reservation you wish to change, press on the reservation to see the details. You can now select to delete or change the reservation. If you choose to delete the reservation, it will completely remove it from the system. If you want to change a booking, press the Change button and the system will allow you to modify the booking in the same way that you made it. Make your changes, then press the Finish button and the system will replace the new booking with the old one. As you can see, the booking has now moved to 10 o'clock instead of 7.